Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide desktop and files from your computer. So guys, if you want to hide desktop and files from your computer, so very easy. Firstly, right click any new folder, click new folder, click on view, click on options, click on view and here option hide file and folders. So check this box, show hide file folder and devices. Check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to hide desktop and files from your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.